And now Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav has attacked the BJP over violating COVID norms and questioned that there's a ban on Samajwadi Party, that they got a notice, but the BJP, which is in power, is freely violating the COVID norms. He demanded strict action from the poll body against this. MLA Mahendra Singh Khadagvanshi, who reached Hasanpur on Sunday after he got the ticket, got this warm reception, but as you can see, a big crowd had gathered there. The national president of the Samajwadi Party taunted the government and tweeted about this crowd and questioned why no action against him. Similar scenes was witnessed in Bhagpat, where BJP's candidate Yogesh Dhamma's road show, where the poll code and COVID protocols were again openly violated.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी, उनके नेता, उनके मुख्यमंत्री आचार संहिता का जगह जगह उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं। समाजवादी पार्टी लिखित शिकायत चुनाव आयोग को करेगी। हमें उम्मीद है कि चुनाव आयोग इन पर सख्ती से नियमों का पालन करने के लिए आदेश करेंगे।
Well, let's go across to Alok now for more. In Alok, the Samajwadi Party had complaints filed against it after that big gathering that took place when, rebel BJP leaders were joining the Samajwadi Party. But Akhilesh Yadav now pointing out, is there some sort of, double standards, and how are BJP leaders getting away with it?
Well, I think if you would ask Akhilesh, he would say it is fair enough because if you remember at that press conference, I think it was 2 or 3 days ago, after that press conference that the Samajwadi Party said was a virtual press conference and attended by hundreds of people as we saw, an SHO of the local police station was suspended, a case has been filed. Today, before the press conference of Akhilesh Yadav, you had a situation where cops were out with loudspeakers asking everyone to wear masks and asking them to maintain social distancing, etc., etc. And then you have these images coming in, especially from Western UP, where the nomination phase for the first and second phases has begun. And you have these multiple BJP MLAs, and a lot of them being BJP MLAs because they are either sitting MLAs or they are the ones who are filing their nominations first. So you had that MLA from Amroha, going to his nomination with hundreds of people, maskless people. And then you had the other cases. I think there was one case in Bhagpat and another one in Muzaffarnagar too. So in all of these cases, after a lot of outrage, the police has said that they have filed cases there too. But I think Akhilesh Yadav is using this as an opportunity to question the action of the Election Commission, or at least the action of the authorities on ground, who at the moment are responsible to the Election Commission. And we heard him say that they will make a written complaint to the Election Commission, pointing out these double standards. And this again, I think, has acquired a political dimension, with the Samajwadi Party perhaps trying to say that they are the ones who are being stopped from these gatherings, while gatherings of other parties, especially that of the party in power, continue with impunity. The police says that they are taking action in each case, and that cases are being filed, and that FIRs are being registered, and that action will be taken, and the Election Commission will be told about what action is being taken.
All right, Alok, thanks so much for joining us. With that, well, let's now go across to our guests. We're joined by Nahid Lari Khan, a national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and Shant Prakash Jatav, leader of the BJP. Shant Prakash Jatav, first to you, ये जो समाजवादी पार्टी कह रही कि ये double standards हैं, उनके against complaint हुआ, but now with the BJP leaders having same gatherings, there's no complaint against them.
देखिए, इस वक्त में जो महामारी का दौर चल रहा है और चुनाव भी हो रहा है, तो हम लोगों को सचेत भी रहना है। बीमारी से बचने के लिए जो भी नॉर्म्स हैं उनका भी पालन करना होगा। और जहां की बात ये जो अभी इन्होंने कहा कि समाजवादी पार्टी को FIR हुआ और इनको नहीं हुआ, तो अगर मुझे लगता है कि अगर यहाँ पर नॉर्म्स और नियमों में कहीं गलत हुआ है तो इनके खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई होगी और होनी चाहिए भी। सभी कार्यकर्ताओं को कोविड नॉर्म्स का पालन करना होगा, क्योंकि अगर हम चुनाव में स्वस्थ रहना चाहते हैं और स्वस्थ चुनाव हम देना चाहते हैं तो नॉर्म्स का पालन करने की आवश्यकता है। इलेक्शन कमीशन थोड़ा सख्ती से अगर शुरुआत में ये कदम उठा ले तो आने वाले दिनों में अब बहुत लंबा चुनाव चलना है तो सब चीजें ठीक हो पाएगी।
No, absolutely. I appreciate that you say that there should be a complaint there as well or action taken. What would you say to that, Nahid Khan? What would you, respond to that? A complaint would be filed there as well against these BJP leaders.
Gargi Election Commission should ensure that the code of conduct and COVID protocols are uniformly applicable to all the parties. Now you see in Samajwadi Party office, the programs held inside our premises, inside the party office premises are being closely monitored and we are being restricted. Whereas on the contrary, BJP is allowed to openly take out road shows. They're taking out road shows, they're openly making a mockery of the code of conduct as well as the COVID protocol. Now be it in Amroha, be it in Muzaffarnagar and be it in Mathura. And even in Gorakhpur, what happened? When Adityanath, after being rejected by Shri Krishnji in Mathura and Shri Ramji in Ayodhya, and Adityanath, when he took refuge in his temporary house, Gorakhpur, then when his name was announced as a candidate, then his people took out road shows they took out road shows. Our program, which was held in the party office's premises, it was a virtual program. It was a virtual rally and it was a press conference. And only the people who were joining the party and the supporters were only invited. The only thing that happened that day was that each time the party gate would open, a huge crowd would enter. Whenever the party gate would open to enter, let the invited guests enter, a huge crowd would enter our premises. Now in our office, the Adityanath ji's ठोको नीति is not applied ना कि वहाँ पे लोगों को ठोकने लग जाते जो लोग पार्टी ऑफिस के अंदर आ जा रहे. That niti is not applied because for Samajwadi Party, each human being is very... No, I was not interrupting when you were speaking, Chatterjee. Be a little patient. For Samajwadi Party, each human being's life is very important. Even a scratch on a human being, it pains us. So it was not a planned program that took place. Openly, see, it's written virtual rally. But today, the way the BJP MPs, MLAs and the ministers, they're taking out procession openly on roads. ये एक सोचे समझे तरीके से they're taking out this procession on roads. So जो लोग भी ये procession निकाल रहे हैं, इनके nomination election commission को रद्द करने चाहिए ना, because BJP, don't forget that BJP is one party that when in Bengal elections were taking place and a huge amount of people were dying, lakhs and lakhs of people were being infected with the virus.
Right,
And,
that's absolutely
then
right.
the
Nobody
Prime
wants a
Minister,
repeat of that, and that is why I think this time the Election Commission has come out and said there will be no, holding of big rallies and campaigns right now, and let's wait and see what the decision is later this month when the time comes. But Shant Prakash Jadhav, what would you say to that? They're claiming that the Samajwadi Party gathering that day, it happened inadvertently, it was meant to be a virtual gathering. But what's happening now with these, the BJP MLAs, taking out big rallies through their towns. This is something they're doing deliberately, and clearly every political party needs to take responsibility and ensure the safety of their supporters.
देखिए, अभी हमारी बहन समाजवादी पार्टी की जो प्रवक्ता हैं, उन्होंने पूरा ब्लेम लगाने की कोशिश की और समाजवादी पार्टी को पूरी तरीके से मुक्त करने का प्रयास किया. देखिए, राजनीति करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. ये महामारी है और महामारी में उन्होंने ऐसा किया और हमने ऐसा किया. आपने भी गलती की थी, इसको भी स्वीकार करना होगा. और जिन लोगों ने, देखो, अब आप खुद इंटरप्ट कर रही हो, ना,
उनको बोलने दीजिए.
चुप कर दिया था, इंटरप्ट खुद कर रही हो, बोल तो लेने दो.
और 12-12 फीट की बाउंड्री वॉल के अंदर ये कार्यक्रम.
नहीं जी, प्लीज उनको बोलने दीजिए, चैटर्जी जी को बोलने दीजिए.
मैंने बताया जब गेट खुला तब तक एक
देखो, आपकी बेचैनी बता रही है.
ये
आपका कहना है, हमने सुन लिया. नहीं जी, अब सुन, let us listen to Mr.
बीजेपी एमएलए और मिनिस्टर्स कर रहे हैं, वो ओपनली जो रोड पे कर रहे हैं और कोरोना प्रोटोकॉल की धज्जियां उड़ा रहे हैं, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट की धज्जियां उड़ा रहे हैं ओपनली.
All right, that was my question to Jadhav ji. Let him just answer that question. Just please give him a moment to answer. जी, Jadhav जी बोलिए.
देखिए, आपकी बहन जी, मैं बताऊं, आपकी जो बेचैनी है और इतना भयंकर तरीके से आपने जो काउंटर किया है, आप तेज चीख करके अपनी गलती से मुक्त नहीं हो सकती. गलती हुई थी और यही सही है. और हम ये नहीं कह रहे,
यादव जी की लोकप्रियता आसमान छू रही है. जाटव जी,
अच्छा है,
इतने सीनियर आप
नहीं, अच्छा है. देखो, ये तो चुनावी समर है, चुनावी दौर है.
बीजेपी है. देखिए, ये तो आपको मालूम है कि बीजेपी 10 दिन हो गया, आपके बड़े बड़े नेताओं के मुंह बंद हो गए जब से से जो है इलेक्शन कमीशन ने चुनाव तारीखों की घोषणा कर दी। ये घबराहट है आप लोग की, कहाँ आप लोग
देखो, कोई बात
अरे नहीं जी, उनको जवाब तो देने दीजिए।
अखिलेश बाहर से नहीं है। अखिलेश जी का मुख्यमंत्री जब थे, अखिलेश जी का कार्यकाल हमने देखा है। अखिलेश जी ने जिस तरीके से गुंडों को संरक्षण दिया था, हमें अच्छी तरह पता है। हमने कब मना करा, हमने उनका शासन नहीं देखा। लोगों में खुशी है, उन लोगों में खुशी है जो गुंडागर्दी के माहिर थे। हम कर रहे हैं सुशासन की, हम कह रहे हैं सुशासन। तो सुशासन
केसेस है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आपकी सरकार को कहा जाता जी जंगल।
All right, I think we'll have to end it here, but clearly each party has to take responsibility. Yes, there's been a case against the Samajwadi Party for its massive gathering that day, but take a look at how BJP leaders are taking out these road shows and massive crowds are gathering to greet them, and that too, we have to see action taken. There can't be any sort of, double standards when it comes to the pandemic and to the responsibility of political parties. We'll end it here. Let's see what happens next if action is taken against these leaders as well. Thank you both for joining us on the program.